Do you have pizza cravings but want to eat healthy at the same time? Then try this easy homemade garlic butter pizza with bread slices. Here I have taken 5 white bread slices. You can use wheat bread too for a healthier option. Cut them vertically to small pieces. Next we will prepare the garlic butter. For this take 2 tablespoons of butter and melt them in microwave. You can use ghee too, but butter gives a better flavor to our bread pizza. Add some crushed garlic to the butter. I use 5 garlic cloves for this. Mix it well. Next let's take a baking pan and line it with baking paper. Then arrange the bread slices. Now spread the prepared garlic butter on the slices. Coat it twice and be generous with the garlic butter. Then add some tomato ketchup on all the slices. Spread it well. Then let's add the toppings. First, I'm adding mozzarella cheese. Then some chopped onions. Some chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum or bell pepper. Add some corn too. If you like olives, you can add it too. In fact, you can add any veggies as per your preference. Add more cheese if you love cheesy goodness in yours. Now let us bake it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes in the oven. Initially I baked it for 13 minutes, but increased it by 3 more minutes for a crunchier pizza. Our yummy garlic butter pizza is ready. Hope you enjoyed making the pizza with me. Thanks for watching.